Hello and good morning everyone. As it is another Sunday, I have another nutrition and health related topic for you. And today I decided to talk a little bit about our digestive system. Why? Because more and more studies are coming up that are showing how much our digestive system and our guts are related to different kinds of health issues and diseases. So what happens if we eat food? It starts in our mouth. The food goes down our esophagus, it goes to our stomach, and then the main action happens actually in our guts. What do we need for digestion? Basically it starts already in the mouth, right? But the main things happen not even in the stomach, but really in the digestive tract, so in the GI tract, namely in our intestines. So what do we need for digestion to function properly? We need our food to be made acidic, which happens in the stomach, and then we need proper liver and pancreatic function in order to digest our macronutrients in the gut. So another important factor that is recently being described as main player for a lot of diseases, but also being really important for proper digestion is the so-called microbiome. Maybe you've heard about it. So what is the microbiome? Microbiome simply is a term to describe all our bacteria in our guts. So we have a ton of hopefully different species of bacteria in our gut, and they are helping us a lot with digestion. So as you can maybe imagine, it depends on the balance between good bacteria and bad bacteria, and we can influence on that with proper nutrition. Why is that important? So I shortly mentioned that there are a lot of studies connecting our digestive system and also our microbiome with our health. So actually it has been linked to cancer, pancreatitis, autoimmune diseases, inflammatory bowel diseases, liver function and diseases, and also, and I think personally that's really interesting, our gut health is strongly connected with our brain health. So namely dementia and cognition and diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's. So what we eat and how we influence our gut health and our microbiome strongly impacts all our body functions. So how can we influence it is not a question, right? So of course we can influence it with food. What is the right food to feed our microbiome? So the good bacteria in our guts, they really need fiber. And that's where the problem starts, because our society nowadays, we tend to eat too little fiber. Where can we find fiber? Fiber is mainly found in legumes and beans, in leafy greens, in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, what else? Sauerkraut, for example. And what else is important for our digestive system are healthy fats and less carbohydrates. That doesn't mean you have to go keto, but just eating less simple sugars and carbohydrates would help a lot, because these carbohydrates, they have been linked to chronic inflammation in the gut, and therefore this fosters a lot of problems and diseases. So in the end, I think I can only say if your gut is happy, you are happy. And if you have any further questions regarding this topic, feel free to ask me, write me a DM, whatsoever. I'm really happy to answer your questions.